We are Power China, Shandong Company Limited. As a leading enterprise in the field of energy equipment, the annual processing capacity needs to reach over 50,000 tons. Our products are sold worldwide. Our business involves high-end projects such as power stations, steel structures, bridge engineering, and oversees large-scale infrastructure. Strict requirements are placed on the precision of components, on-time performance, and cost control. Before choosing RITMAN Laser, when processing complex components, the production capacity efficiency is relatively low, and the secondary polishing consumes a long time, making it difficult to meet the high-end customer's standard of one-time molding with zero rework. Since RITMAN's GG26030 and GF24030 high-power machines were put into production, all the above problems have been solved. In steel structure processing operations, it not only reduces costs but also improves work efficiency and safety. The annual processing capacity has also reached 60,000 tons. We have also undertaken precision component tasks for international orders such as India's Jhajjar Power Station and Saudi Arabia's Rabbi Power Station. Thank you very much for RITMAN's 2 high-power machines. The after-sales service is excellent, and any feedback is promptly resolved. We hope to deepen our cooperation and become stronger together in the future.